Listen and repeat. Give up. Give up. Meaning to stop doing a habit or trying something. Example: she gives up coffee to sleep better. She gives up coffee to sleep better. Give in. Give in. Meaning to agree to something you didn't want to. Example: he doesn't want to go to school, but finally gives in. He doesn't want to go to school, but finally gives in. Give away. Give away. Meaning to reveal a secret. Example: don't give away the surprise party. Don't give away the surprise party. Give back. Give back. Meaning to return something you borrowed. Example: please give back the tools when you're done. Please give back the tools when you're done. Give out. Give out. Meaning to distribute, to hand something to many people. Example: they give out flyers at the station. They give out flyers at the station. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Meaning help someone. Example: can you give me a hand by these boxes? Can you give me a hand by these boxes? Give off. Give off. Meaning to emit or release something, like a smell, heat, or light. Example: the garbage started to give off a bad smell. The garbage started to give off a bad smell. Give over. Give over. Meaning to stop doing something. Example: oh, give over complaining about the washing machine. Oh, Give over complaining about the washing machine. Give up on. Give up on. Meaning, to stop believing that someone or something can improve. Example: I almost give up on learning English, but I keep going. I almost give up on learning English, but I keep going. Give into. Give into. Meaning, to allow a desire or pressure to control you. Example: he gives in to temptation and eats the cake. He gives in to temptation and eats the cake. Listen and repeat. Give up. Give in. Give away. Give back. Give out. Give me a hand. Give off. Give over. Give up on. Give into. Quiz time! You've learned the phrasal verbs. Now let's use them. I've prepared a short quiz to help you master this for good. Let's jump right in. Great job today! If this video helped you understand these verbs better, hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe for our next challenge.